Hello everyone. So today we are going to start our exercise of chapter number 7. So let's get started. Now starting with section A, first MCQ. First is what decreases in soil because of deforestation. So here is 4 options and you have to write, and the answer is both B and C. Fertility and water holding capacity. Second one is what is called a part of the earth in which living organisms exist. So here is 4 options and the answer is A, biosphere. Third one is the level of which increase in the atmosphere because of deforestation. So here is 4 options and the answer is CO2 मतलब कि carbon dioxide. Fourth one is which is the first protected forest of India. So here is 4 options and the answer is B, Saputara. Fifth one is which of the following is a bison. So here is 4 options and the answer आएगा A, wild buffalo. Sixth one is which species are recorded in red data book. So answer आएगा endangered. Now part B, true or false. First is natural causes of deforestation are heavy rain and serves drought. Answer आएगा false. Second one is natural balance is disturbed due to deforestation. Answer आएगा true. Third one is to make 1 ton of paper act is to limited cutting of a tree in natural forest in India. That is false. Fourth one is small size animals also form part of a food chain and food webs. Answer आएगा true. Fifth one is Saputara National Park is the third protected forest of India. That is false. Part C, filling the blanks. First is dash is made up of all biotic and abiotic component of an environment. Answer आएगा ecosystem. Second one is dash is a group of population which are capable of interbreeding. Answer आएगा species. Third one is less number of trees means reduction in the use of dash. Answer आएगा carbon dioxide. Fourth one is those animals which might face existence are known as dash animals. Answer आएगा endangered. D is definition. First is species. Species is a group of populations which are capable of interbreeding. Second one is zoo. Zoo is a place where some animals are protected in artificial habitat for public view. Third one is sanctuary. Sanctuary is an area where animals are protected from any disturbance to them and their habitat. Fourth one is deforestation. The meaning of deforestation is clearing of forest and using that land for other purpose. Part E, match the list. So here A part, first is endemic species, second one is endangered species, third one is extinct species and the fourth one is threatened species. In part B, A is wild buffalo, second is dinosaurs, C is golden cat and the D is flying squirrel. आंसर आएगा फर्स्ट के सामने डी, सेकंड के सामने ए, थर्ड के सामने बी एंड द लास्ट वन के सामने सी. नाउ टॉक अबाउट सेक्शन बी. आंसर इन वन सेंटेंस. फर्स्ट इज विच इज़ द फर्स्ट रिजर्व फॉरेस्ट ऑफ इंडिया. आंसर आएगा सापुतारा नेशनल पार्क इज़ द फर्स्ट रिजर्व फॉरेस्ट ऑफ इंडिया. सेकंड वन इज़ व्हाट इज़ द मीनिंग ऑफ बायोडाइवर्सिटी. Biodiversity means the variety of organisms existing on the earth, their interrelationship and the relationship with the environment. Third question is what is Project Tiger? And the answer is the government launched a project to protect and maintain the tiger population in country. It is the Project Tiger. Fourth one is for what is the Forest Conservation Act launched in India? And the answer is the Forest Conservation Act launched for preservation and conservation of natural forest in India. Now part B, give difference. First is wildlife sanctuary and the biosphere reserve. First point is in wildlife sanctuary, it is an area where animals are protected from any disturbance to them and their habitat. In biosphere, It is a large area for protected land for conservation of wildlife, for example, plant and animals resources. Second point, in wildlife sanctuary, hunting and poaching of animals are prohibited there, and the biosphere, many sanctuaries and national parks are included in it. Now, section C gives scientific reason. First is global warming is a result of deforestation. And the answer is global warming means increase in temperature on the earth. Green trees cover decrease on earth due to deforestation. The rate of photosynthesis decrease because of fewer trees. Fourth point is less amount of carbon dioxide is used. Amount of carbon dioxide increase in the atmosphere. It trapped the heat rays reflected by earth. So, increase in temperature, for example, global warming is a result of deforestation. Now talk about section D, answer in brief. First is state the consequence of deforestation. Answer is consequence of deforestation. Increase in the amount of carbon dioxide in atmosphere. The increase in temperature on the earth. Reduce rainfall and many causes drought. Soil erosion increase and fertility decrease. You have to write here proper spelling of increase and decrease. Fertile land gets converted into desert, decreasing in water holding capacity of the soil, decreasing in nutrient content of soil and adverse effect on soil textures. And last point is existence of wildlife may be threatened due to loss of their natural habitat. Now, second one is explain we should save, reuse paper and recycle it. Answer is paper is useful product in our daily life. To make 1 ton of paper, 17 full grown trees are cut down. Increase in use of paper leads to deforestation. Paper can be recycled 5 to 7 times for use. If each student save at least 1 sheet of paper in a day, we can save many trees in a day. We should save, reuse paper and recycle it. By this, we not only save trees but also save energy and water needed for manufacturing paper. The amount of chemicals used in paper making will also be reduced. And the last point is so to protect our environment and a part of to save trees, we should save, reuse paper and recycle it. Thank you.